Hi guys, this is F channel. I will try to show you what we can do with the cucumbers, and not only.
Bakma bana.
Anyway. Shh, seriousness. Hi guys, this is F channel. How you doing? Hi guys, how are you doing? This is F's channel and this video is for YouTube and it's powered by Gin, Tonic and Cucumber. Me and my team today decided to prepare tzatziki sauce and I'm going to show you the main ingredients, and they are as follow. We've got good yogurt, clove of garlic, some dill and obviously cucumber, and me and my team decided to use one big cucumber because it's always better than too small. And let's crack on.
Is this gin glass?
Well, if I pour gin in this glass, it's going to be a gin glass. Why you didn't find that funny? This is good. I will start with preparing the cucumber and I'm going to use only half of it because I can't handle all of it at once. I will peel it and grate it. I will put a little bit of salt and set it on the side for 20 minutes so the water can come out from the cucumber. This is black pepper. Thank you, my assistant, it's always so helpful. The next step, I will chop the garlic slightly and I will smash it with a little bit of salt. Whilst I'm smashing the garlic, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. That's ready. I'm going to chop a little bit of the dill. And I think my cucumbers are ready to drain, and I'm going to drain them with this piece of cloth, which I think it's supposed to be like a cheesecloth, but I'm going to use just this piece of fabric. You can use a tea towel or pair knickers. I really need to squeeze it well because I don't want my sauce to be too liquidy. And all my ingredients are ready now to mix. I was talking to my stylist about the rest of the team, and he said something about the IT guy. He said something like he's tall, dark skin, lovely legs. And I was surprised really, and I said, you can't talk about people like they're horse or some sort of livestock. And he said like, wow, I didn't have a goal, so I'm not sure is it horse or donkey. And now my tzatziki is ready for serving. After we mixed all the ingredients, we left it in the fridge to cool. You would consume this dish as meze with a certain type of alcohol. And if you were in Greece, you would consume it with ouzo, yes. And if you're in Turkey, you would consume it with this, I think British people call it raki. Anyway, because we're in Britain, we're just going to dip in to try it without thinking about how other people are eating their cucumber, garlic and yogurt dish. I'll definitely put some more salt on it. Yeah. I think I need to learn some good British manners. I'm not sure how that is going to happen. Anyway, this is the end of the video. I hope my cucumber obsession wasn't that boring. And if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, share with friends, because sharing is always good. And if you have any comments, write below. Doesn't matter what they are. Any comments about my pronunciation, my grammar skills, or anything really. Thank you very much and see you in the future videos.